Hello everyone! Today we continue to bake for holidays. So what our favorite holiday baking? Cookies, of course. So today we are making red velvet cookies. It's like cookies or mini cakes, you can call them whatever you like. So we can make them look very festive, and of course they're going to be very yummy. So first thing first, for these cookies we're making ganache. Ganache, it's chocolate mixed with milk, butter or cream or juice or fruit puree. So right now I melted on a water bath, I melted my chocolate. You can melt it in a microwave, but I prefer water bath. It's easier for chocolate, I think. In microwave it's easier to burn it. So now we're transferring our chocolate, it's a little hot, into this glass, because it will be easier to use blender here. And we're using a fruit puree, we're using a banana. So I'm cutting my bananas right in there. And now I'm gonna blend everything together with my blender. And it's done. Our banana ganache is done. And now I'm transferring it in a piping bag, and it goes into the fridge. It needs to be a little bit more stable. Alright, that was very fast and easy. Alright, I'll put my ganache into the fridge. Okay, and now we're back to our cookies. I even, got a new spatula just for holidays. Isn't it cute? Okay, so we're starting with the butter. Soft room temperature butter goes in there. And we start whipping it with the sugar. And it has to become white and fluffy. Okay, our butter is light and fluffy. Now I'm continuing adding all the wet ingredients. Lovely. Now I have to sift all my dry ingredients. Flour, baking soda and cacao. I mix it very well all together, and on a slow speed we're going to combine all the ingredients. I almost forgot the important ingredients to make a red velvet. Red, we need red color. So I'm using the gel based color and see how it turns out. And I changed my attachment. I'm using my favorite attachment now, puddle, more color. I don't like adding a lot of color, but we need to see that it's red velvet, not brown velvet. Okay, our dough is ready. It's not perfect because I made a mistake. I needed to add the color when I was adding all the wet ingredients in there, but it is what it is. We're making it for ourselves, and when it's not perfect, you can see that you made it with your own hands. So, and now I'm using my ice cream scoop and I'm placing it on my silicone mat. And to make them round, I'll just take my cup and just press them to make them more even. Okay. You can fix them with your hands, don't worry about it. Alright, I put them in the oven and they're gonna be there for 12-15 minutes. Okay, our cookies are ready. They baked for about 13-15 minutes and they're not perfect. They're not, but who said that cookies are going to have to be perfect, right? Especially homemade cookies. That's not the point, right? Okay. So they're ready and our ganache is nice and chilled, and now we're gonna fill our cookies with the ganache. I fill my cookie with the ganache. Lovely. And I'm gonna cover it with another cookie. See? It looks yummy. Decorated, I have some fun beads, edible beads. So what I'm doing is I'm just covering them with our cookie, just like that. See? And now it's festive and it's fun. And it's beautiful. Okay, there's our cookie. Look how beautiful and festive it looks. I really like it. It gives you the holiday mood, which is, you know, great. We love holidays. Celebrate it with our friends, family. So let's cut it and see how it looks inside. So it's really nice, and ganache taste, I already tasted it. It tastes really like banana flavor in it. The cookie is really soft. I'm sorry, I'm talking with the full mouth. The cookie is really soft. It's like a little cakes, really. And there we go, the banana goes wonderful, beautiful. I think you have to make this recipe just and wait for the ganache to be a little bit more less liquidy, more harder, but not really hard, but harder. Then it will be easier to apply and it won't be running away from your cookie. And decorate as you wish. So I think it's a nice recipe for holidays to make it together with your kids or by yourself and enjoy your holidays. Okay, see you in the next video.